Good morning, everyone. We survived another potential frost last night. I don't think it frosted. Don said the low got to 39. But you know the difference between 39 and 36, and how quick does the wind die down, and what's the cloud cover like? There's so many factors that go into it. You just don't want to risk it. So the National Weather Service said chance of frost, and we covered. Don was out here right away and got the sheets and shower curtains, mostly Guardian Angel stuff. He got that off of the plants right away while I was doing other things in the house. I super appreciate that. He even brought my plants back out of the garage that we had stored on top of the freezer until I can plant them. This isn't quite all, but this is a good bit of it. The stuff I bought at Walmart yesterday, and Garden Hut, and yeah. So I'm gonna do yard work today. I'm going to mow the front yard and down by the mailbox, and maybe redo the backyard. We'll see how I'm feeling. The backyard's so easy to do on any given day. And Don wants to finish taxes and is probably going to do a little weed eating, so he's not just sitting all day, but gets a little bit of exercise too. So it's going to be a great day for it. I did order insecticidal soap. Did I say that? For this Japanese maple that had the aphids. It doesn't look damaged, and I got a lot of them off of it yesterday, but it still needs a little help, especially on the opening up leaves up top. I mean, I can still see some aphids on it. So sometime this afternoon, after Amazon delivers that, I will get it sprayed. There's just a few over here, and I don't think I'm going to spray these guys. I'm going to just spray the source tree and continue to pinch off the ones that are over here, because it is just a few. So it's always something, and yeah. But all the kitties are doing good. Hey, Marty. Yep, all the kitties are doing good. Hi, Tux. How are you this morning? Enjoying your chicken? I made it, cooked and pulled the meat off a chicken last night, so they had fresh chicken this morning. Hey, Panther. Good morning. Thank you for being so patient. Hi. Good boy. That's my buddy. All right. Yep, it's looking pretty out there. This gorgeous blue skies. Pretty spring light green leaves. Yeah. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Good girl. Because Sunday.
Yeah.
I don't think you should fear being over project, but there always is a little bit of a...
Oh yeah, look at this.
If I'm going to expect you to go weed eat for an hour, I figured I'd better... He already knew. He already knew. Well, I told him he was off the hook because of the taxes, and he said, yeah, but I probably ought to get out there and exercise for an hour anyway. So
I got 2,000 steps just walking around doing the stuff.
Taking the sheets off? Yeah. That's okay. I still need you to weed eat. Whoa. Yeah. Enjoy it.
Yeah, thank you, sweet.
It's a wrap, Gray. Time for Mama to go mow the lawn. Hey, sweet girl. Thanks for the help. Amazon delivered the insecticidal soap. It did say to avoid application during full sun, and the tree's in full sun right now. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do it last thing today after the sun leaves that area, or first thing tomorrow before it gets really sunny in that area. Dawn is out in that front area with the weed eater. I am fixing to mow. We just both walked the whole driveway stooped over with a hand trowel, pulling up these very large variety dandelion family thing, but they're not your backyard dandelion. A few of those don't bother me. These are these 3-foot tall monstrosities, and I don't appreciate them, and mowing them doesn't slow them down much. So I also scraped off a bunch of sweet gums and rocks, so hopefully when I go down that way today it won't be popping as bad as it was the last time I did it. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. It's a good boy. Hey.
Hey,
Looking good and stay out of trouble.
I'm trying to stay out of trouble. That's the name of the game. Stay out of trouble.
That's right. He has specific instructions to follow.
That's right.
Thank you for doing it. I got everything mowed out here. It's good for me to do it the first time of the year walking, so I can get sticks and rocks and weeds and things out of the way. And then if the neighbor happens to mow, it's easier for him. And anyway, look at this. Excuse me, Japanese red maple. It's looking so pretty. One of the things on my list today is to swap out my flags. Probably send Dawn down with whatever I want put out here, but I guess I'll take it up with me, so when I go up to get the new, I'm not left with one I haven't put where I want it. Yeah, I mean, this one here with the stained glass looking leaves where the light really looks so beautiful. I mean, just wow. It does this in the spring, then it gets dark over the summer, then it does it again in the fall. So pretty. I've still got to mow in the backyard because I just can't not do it. And Don helped me take the inflatables down. He says he's got the federal return and estimated taxes done, and the first Social Security check got deposited. He was giddy. Very excited about that. In front. Oh, Gypsy, I'm so sorry, honey. I didn't know you had come out here, but I'm so happy to see you. Hi, Gypsy. Hi, sweet kitty. Hello. From time to time, we will see each other. I'm the nice lady that puts out the food for you. See you tomorrow, honey. Poor baby. I didn't mean, if I'd have known, I would have waited to do this tomorrow. I came down to trim the bottom of the tree and grabbed the 2 flags out here in the front yard. Mini flags I'm swapping. Outside holiday stuff will be put up. There, you can barely tell I even cut anything. Hopefully it's not a big deal that I made a few cuts because it's spring and the sap's running, but I needed to do that because I was going to damage it with the lawnmower, and then that wasn't going to be good. Okay, this guy is not in the sun anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and treat him. It's 5:30. I am wore out. My neighbor down in the cul-de-sac started burning. I'm down there blowing the cul-de-sac, the driveway, mowed the grass down there today and everything. I wish they had just waited till I got inside. I'm just sort of eyeballing it. Yeah, let me go ahead and spray. Ladybug flag and lots of butterflies out now. The Star Wars flag is up. I forgot to put it out last year after I bought it. Because May the 4th is coming up. See, butterflies, lots of butterflies. Yeah, I'm sitting down where you can come get some attention. I didn't take your picture yesterday. Hi, Marty. You can have my shoes. Don's at the mailbox hanging that flag on for me. He took the unicycle down. Oh my goodness, Tux. Did you give Marty a kiss? Oh, I saw that. I did. Oh, it's shower time. I am ready to pile up, as Don would say. And I have very dirty fingers. I hate gloves. Here he comes. Hey.
Hey, hey, hey. You got your kitty cat there with you.
I do.